does, and remember, this is free if you've got ChatGPT, so there's no cost to this. It took that and it shows you exactly what it changed. It says facilitate research on developing AI presentation, the instructions, planning execution, how it wants to be outputted, verification, and you can edit any of these as you want. So if you actually look at it, it shows what it added in to create a good quality prompt. So even if you don't use this on a daily basis, right? It took a matter of seconds, maybe like 30 seconds to a minute to actually go through it. The more information that you put in, the more time it's going to take to optimize your prompt. Well, so on a daily basis, you're probably not going to use this for every single prompt that you're going to create an output for. But I will tell you the structure is pretty standard. And I'll get that structure and I'll send it out to everybody. The reason why I'm saying that structure is so important is LLMs are not really good at understanding what your intention is. So they want to have as much step-by-step instructions. So for example, using Markdown. Now, probably 90% of the people on this call don't even know what Markdown is. Well, Markdown is kind of this format that makes it have like bold and colors and stuff like that. Well, if you don't know that, and you want it to have a really good clean copy and paste, the prompt optimizer will help you with this whole process. Any questions on that? This is just a quick tool that came out when ChatGPT 5 came out. I thought it was pretty handy. Everybody can use it. It'll make your life a lot easier and your outputs are going to be dramatically better. All right, Brian, go ahead. What's your question?
My question's in the chat. Where do you find the optimizer? Is it in chat?
Yeah, so I put it in the chat. And you can, worst case scenario, you can always go to the Hive Research website. I'll put it here under the tools section. If you see AI tools, you come to this page, click AI tools, and it's available for everybody there. And I also put it in the chat as well. It's kind of a weird link, but you should all be able to get access to that. And like I said, it's free. By the way, I am keeping this AI tools page updated. So if you're looking for the different types of tools that we use in the class, or any of the information as far as like tools are concerned, you can just find them all here on the AI tools section from that standpoint.
So
any other questions? Go ahead.
Once you've clicked on the link and you use the optimizer, are you taking that and then putting that prompt back in chat?
Exactly. So you literally copy. We'll just go ahead and do it.
Thank you.
I'll just pull up ChatGPT. You just copy and paste it into your prompt. Oh, I click Pro. Let me do instance so it doesn't take forever to do that. Try that one more time. So it'll literally follow step-by-step instructions on here. There you go. So especially when you're giving it a very complex output, I would highly, highly recommend using the prompt optimizer. If you're doing like intense research, if you're like, I don't know, drafting a book or writing an article that has a lot more complexity, definitely use the prompt optimizer. You're going to get a much, much better opportunity to like hone into it. The other thing is, remember, you can edit this, right? It gives you the structure that you can then go ahead and edit yourself. Any other questions on the prompt optimizer?